Greetings, aspiring homeowners. We warmly welcome you to Fab Living Realty's insightful series, House Hunter Hacks. Today, allow us to share the secret to purchasing a property, regardless of the season. In the vibrant season of spring, listings flourish like flowers, presenting fresh choices. However, this period may also bring intense competition. As we move into summer, the number of buyers tends to diminish. While many people are busy planning vacations, fall is characterized by eager sellers and fluctuating prices, though the number of available homes may decrease. While winter may offer lower prices, it also presents limited choices and the need for chilly property visits. A common misconception is that there exists a perfect time for home buying. The reality, however, is that with the right strategy and guidance, your dream home can be found in any season. From spring to winter, each season provides distinct prospects for the astute buyer. So there you have it. Here at Fab Living Realty, we believe in not just finding you a home, but empowering you with knowledge every step of the way. Thank you for watching House Hunter Hacks with Fab Living Realty. Until next time.